Hey people, so I'm at the Puttaparthi Sai Baba Ashram, and this is lunchtime and I'm at the Western canteen, and I can't really spin the camera around because I don't think it's allowed to even record, but everything on the plate here is just for 161 bucks. It's like you choose what you want and then you pay exactly for that. This is a beautiful, very cute place, and this is in Andhra Pradesh, and so that's what. Go and take a look. It's lots of people, lots of crowd, and the food has been made by I think some of the Westerners. See, this is tomato soup, then that is pasta, that's yogurt, this is some chole type, and this is aloo, and that's also some kind of. I just can't wait to dig in. So yeah, this is how a lunch at Western Canteen Puttaparthi looks like. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.